This is Linda from Remade with Love, and today I'll share with you how I make my favorite ornament. Okay, so why is this my favorite ornament? Because it's a classic lantern shape that's so old-fashioned yet modern. The perfect size for both large and small trees, and perfect for beautiful holiday script and designs. So easy to finish with ribbons and absolutely sparkly with a crushed diamond look that winks at you with the holiday lights on. If you want to make an ornament like the one I'm highlighting here, I'll include everything I use in the video description. Start with one tile from the sheet of Satori Hudson White lantern tile. They're a great buy for about $5 from Lowe's for 15 tiles. Carefully peel it off the mesh backing and notice the unfinished back with grout lines. I'll show you how to take care of that later in this video. I use Cricut Premium Vinyl in black shimmer for the background and Cricut's silver glitter vinyl for the design. I bought a SVG file from Etsy for just a few dollars that I can upload in my Cricut machine, or you can print and use as a template if you don't have a cutting machine, and use to cut both the felt backing and the black shimmer background for the front of the finished tile. The template comes sized for this specific Lowe's tile, and I use the same size for the front and back cuts. Once cut, use the strong grip transfer tape that comes with the roll of black shimmer, and after weeding, remove the lantern shape from its paper and apply to the front of the clean tile. Make sure to press down and rub the shape onto the tile before trying to remove the strong grip transfer tape. Yes, I know. I have tons of tools, brayers and scrapers to make sure that the vinyl has transferred properly, but I was so excited I forgot to bring them up for my work area. So yeah, I'm using the back of my kitchen scissors. Here we go. Put it down, eyeball it. Oh, no, that's not it. Here we go. No, here we go. Sometimes you just have to be persistent and be patient with yourself. There we go. You can create your own ornament designs on Cricut Design Space or your own cutting machine's Design Space, but you can also find some really great open designs on freebie sites online. Just be careful of copyright or usage limits when using someone else's design. Here I've printed a couple of holiday sayings. I'll weed and use my strong grip transfer tape again to pick up and place on top of the background I've already put on the tile. I love designs that have delicate fonts or come with little snowflakes or birds or stars and have intricate cuts, but it takes patience and persistence sometimes to get everything to transfer and stick. So make sure your hands are clean and dry and take your time. Ooh. So I like to mix and match design elements, and when I'm looking at one ornament that I'm in the process of making, I'll often find myself pirating one little piece to fill a void. So if you're like me, you should probably print and weed a number of ornament designs and have them ready. Once my design is set, it's time to add little touches like ribbon and felt backing. For my favorite ornament, I gravitate to the thinner, shimmery silver ribbon for creating the hanging loop and bow. Make a loop about 1 to 1.5 inches long, and using a drop of Gorilla Glue and a toothpick to hold the ribbon in place, center and secure the loop on the back of the tile. I then glue a felt lantern shape cut from the same template. This will give a great finish by hiding that ugly tile back and support the hanging loop. Then using the same thin silver ribbon, I'll tie a bow and secure it to the front of the ornament at the top of the lantern shape, just above where the hanging loop emerges from the back. I love using the toothpick. It's a hack that I started a long time ago, and as you can see, I not only use it to help secure my ribbons to the tile, but I also add little tiny dabs of glue in the ribbon so it never comes untied. I'll carefully let this dry, sometimes with books, chip clips, or light weights on them overnight. And the beautiful ornament is now ready to hang or gift to family or friends. Thanks for watching Remade with Love, and please consider subscribing on Facebook and YouTube. Bye-bye.